have an extremely powerful potential in our youth, the courage to change old ideas and practice, and the power to build and nurture. We must direct their power towards good ends. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आरव मंगला और स्वागत है आप सभी का न्यूज बुलेटिन 4.0।
Greetings everyone, my name is Purvi Gulati and we are your reporters for the evening. Let's quickly look back at all the wonderful activities Anon organized in the month of September. First off, Anon Global Foundation in association with Mahavir Senior Model School conducted an interactive session on building mentally agile generation on 17 September 2021 for students of grade 1 to 5. The speakers, Ms. Shami Pruthi, Wellness Educational Specialist, Ms. Riddhi Luthra Arora, Life Skill Coach, and our student volunteer Ananya Arora made the session engrossing by engaging students in various activities and discuss simple yet very effective practices of our daily lives to mold and expand the agile mindset of the young attendees.
Anon Global Foundation, in collaboration with Prabhu Dayal Public School, Shalimar Bagh also organized an insightful session on meditation for fit body and mind on 18 September 2021 for students and parents. The session was successfully headed by Ms. Archie Shoki, a meditation and yoga trainer. She excellently highlighted the importance of yoga and meditation, engaged students in some very effective stretching and balancing exercises, and encouraged all the attendees to make these practices a part of their healthy lifestyles.
Anon Global Foundation, in collaboration with Mahatma Gandhi Mission's College of Engineering and Technology, Navi Mumbai, organized a series of sessions on various aspects of life development like motivation, stress management, lifestyle management, and happiness, with proficient speakers like Ms. Reena Alk, Wellness Coach, Ms. Anuradha Ahuja, Motivational Speaker, Ms. Nikita Tomaman, Principal of the Indraprastha Global School, Noida, who graced the event with their presence, knowledge, and words. The entire two-day event was brilliantly planned and executed by the host institution and Team Anon and taught the students to be happier, healthier, and more productive.
Someone once said that a thank you is the best prayer anyone could say. In continuation with this idea, Anon celebrated World Gratitude Day by conducting Gratitude, Discovering the New Me, a two-part event that rejoiced the feeling of gratitude in many young minds. The event involved some well-known schools from all over the country, namely Army Public School, Jaipur, Bluebells Model School, Gurugram, Bosco Public School, Delhi, Stanford World School, Greater Noida, and the Study Lakeshore International, Pondicherry. The participants talked about how the attitude of gratitude transformed their perspective and behavior towards life, pre and post-COVID. They also talked about how they gave back to the society through random acts of kindness and how exhilarating the entire experience was. The day was all about celebrating and understanding gratitude in a variety of ways. Our team and all the participants did a tremendous job at making the day a memorable one.
Sometimes you need to go offline to know the real you. Believing in this, Anon Global Foundation organized an informative yet interactive session on screen addiction with Mahavir Senior Model School, India on 23rd September 2021 for students of grade 1 to 5. The students learned about the ways they could practice the notion of less scrolling and more living, and grasped intuitive strategies to combat the same. The students were brought in touch with the real world by speakers from Team Anon, where they were taught about the dangers screen addiction could pose.
The volunteers of Anon Global Foundation planned and executed a Teachers' Day event on the 5th of September with meticulous efforts which honored the practice of learning and imparting knowledge to the world. Various stories of an ever-special student-teacher bond were shared in the meet, which was attended by various educators from all over the country. This celebration of the significant Teachers' Day became even more personal and engrossing as some of the most proficient teachers and principals from all over the country shared their journey of being a teacher, a nurturer, in a week-long series of Instagram live streams hosted by our student volunteers. These heart-to-heart Insta Lives celebrated the journey of those who shape the leaders of tomorrow. The educators that graced this series with their presence and wisdom were Ms. Nikita Tomarman, Principal of the Indraprastha Global School, Greater Noida, Ms. Nipa Vashisht, Principal of the Uttam Preschool, Kalkaji, Ms. Anu Chikara, Senior Coordinator of the Prabhu Dayal Public School, Shalimar Bagh, Ms. Anshu Seth, Coordinator of the Maxwell School, Rohini, Ms. Aarti Malhotra, Coordinator of the N.K. Bargodia Public School, Rohini, Ms. Taruna Pundir, TGT of Hindi at the Summerfield School, Kailash Colony, and Ms. Reena Mehrotra, a TGT of Maths in Singapore.
Team Anon recently welcomed its new and organized student volunteer teams which have all been allotted separate duties, keeping in mind each student's skills and strengths. These teams have been assigned for a period of 6 months, from September 2021 to March 2022. During this period, all team members would be subjected to the various professional training workshops by field specialists, along with their work commitments, and would be groomed to become efficient leaders of the society.
Now, a brief update on Anode Streams, our official podcast. In the past month, we released 5 brand new episodes, 2 featuring our guest speakers, Ms. Suruchi Saini, a certified psychologist, yoga teacher and counselor in New Jersey, and Ms. Harry Hodnett, a spiritual meditation teacher and wellness coach from Ireland, and 2 episodes in which our volunteers of the month, Ananya Batra and Purvi Gulati, shared their volunteering experiences with Anna, discussing their skill enhancement and development. We are very pleased to announce the release of a brand new podcast series, Swarnim Bharat, Meet the Voices That Make Change, a podcast series that highlights the ever-empowering voices of the youth of India. Be sure to check out our podcast and on streams on Spotify and all major streaming platforms if you haven't yet.
With the support of our volunteers and team, we look forward to being a part of the change our upcoming generation is headed for. We are looking forward to many more days of bringing the much-needed awareness to the youth on the issues of today.
We also hope that the coming months too remains filled with loads of insightful and productive activities, and that the entire Anand team keeps working tirelessly to achieve our common cause. These are your reporters, Aurum Mangla and Purvi Gulati, now signing off.